Good evening to all of you. First of all, I especially thank Mr. Nanda Kumar, our teacher, guru, philosopher, and whatnot, for having invited me to say a few words before you. And of course, I'm thankful to Madam, being in the Talent family. So we have heard IIT Chennai, IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, Road. So in the nick of a moment, I thought that we are in some place like IIT. I don't think how others told it. Then my experience with my son in putting him in this place, I strongly feel that it was only one man, one teacher who made him as the student. When we went for the interview 2 years back, I just had a vague remembrance, and actually this Talents India I came to know through one of his friends, only. When we went actually, when we got through, and I think that was a great moment. Then I recollect Eddie telling that last year when we were in the same function at the International Hotel, he thought that he should be there. So that he has set his goal. So goal setting is very important. You set a goal that by this time, say by 10, that I will be in such a position, or I will be attaining some achievement. So this goal should be very, very specific. It should be on a SMART basis. SMART. S means it should be specific, not going, it should be specific. Then M means it should be measurable. It should be measurable anyway. The academic group I can call, because Mr. Mathus and Mr. Jacob Cherian, so we had a lot of time spending on this Elgar whatever, trying to pick our sons. So we also tried a lot till at last God has given these things. So last but not the least, to all my students, especially this